What's up, guys? Shawn Mayo here, and today I want to show you how we download the top 100,000 products using Sourcing Secret. We can download the top 10,000 in any category, the top 100,000, and the top 500,000 in any category. So all we have to do is, we can do this in any of these platforms you see here. So all we have to do is select what category we want. In the U.S. marketplace, there's 23 different categories that we can do arbitrage in, which means the categories we could sell in. I'm going to select toys, and it's going to pop up. It's going to show you all the subcategories, but we'll work on that in a different video. Once you hit download, it's going to take you to this page, and then we can select, if you just want the ASINs, you can download them here. If you want the full data, like rank, if it's hazmat, all that good stuff you see in all those other softwares, and it splits it up into 25,000 lines for each one. Or you can download it as a single file that has the top 100,000, or a single file that has the top 500,000, or whatever's in that category if it doesn't have that much. And then this is the results we get. ASINs, brands, title, UPC if it's available for that item, the buy box price, rank, if it's hazmat, if Amazon's currently on it, if they've ever been on it, etc., etc. Amazon links, Keepa links, tons of data. Whatever Amazon will give us back, if it has reviews or not. And we can just keep going. Dimensions, package quantity if it's other than one, so if it's a multi-pack, if it's an adult product, if it's eligible for Prime, if Amazon's been out of stock in the last 28 days. So these items, it shows Amazon has not been out of stock. They've been in stock for at least the last 28 days. This one we can see that they've been out of stock for the last 24 out of the last 28 days. So that means they've only been in stock for 4 days in the last month. Tons of great data, and that's just one small feature of what Sourcing Secret does. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.